artists! Welcome back to our fun art world. Today, we're starting with colors first. Yep, no sketch at the beginning. Can you guess what we're drawing just by watching the colors appear? Stay with me until the end to find out the big surprise. It's going to be super fun, colorful, and maybe a little floaty too. And don't forget, I love seeing your amazing drawings. Send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. All the info is down in the description. Also, tap subscribe, give a like, and ring the bell so you don't miss what we draw next. Ready? Let's color and discover together. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Hey kids, are you having fun so far? Can you guess what it's turning into yet? It's looking more and more exciting, right? Keep watching. We still have some fun colors to add. And remember, you can try drawing and coloring along with me too. Let's make something super cool together. If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. And we're all done. Our balloon drawing looks so colorful and fun now. Did you guess what it was before we finished? I bet you did. Don't forget, I'd love to see your amazing artwork too. Send me your drawings through Instagram, Facebook, or email. All the links are in the description below. Maybe your art will be in one of our next videos. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap the bell so you don't miss what we draw next. Bye-bye! See you super soon with another fun surprise. Bye!